Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of August 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of August for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 9th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Cancer. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your transformations in life, your sudden changes in life. Means your sudden positive events, sudden negative events is also seen from 8th house. Your in-laws related matter is also seen from 8th house. Your hidden activities, your secrets, your secret relationship, your extramarital affair, your sexual activity is also seen from 8th house. 9th house deal with your luck, your father, your teacher, your religious matter, your teachers, your mentors, your guiders, your legal advisor, your lawyers are also seen from 9th house. Your long distance travel is also seen from 9th house. Pilgrimage is also seen from 9th house. So right now your 9th house lord is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect good result regarding your 9th house related matter, means your father's health, your father related matter, your higher studies, and your travel related matter. Although 9th house lord is moving 12 places away from itself, but 8th house lord is moving in 4th house and sun is moving in your 8th house, and whenever sun is moving in 8th house, it's create a good position for your ascendant because sun controls your 9th house. 9th house deal with your luck. 9th house is the most positive house in the astrology because from 9th house we can see your knowledge, your education, and we can expect good result regarding your 9th house related matter and 8th house related matter. Suddenly you may have some gain of money in the month of August, especially before 17th of August, because sun from 8th house expecting your second house. Second house deal with your savings, your bank account, your money matters, your family matters. So we can expect these results from sun till 17th of August. After 17th of August, when sun will move to your 9th house, and there are many planets are right now moving in your 9th house, so we can expect you may have good result regarding your travel related matter, your education related matter, if you are right now doing post-grad education or some higher studies, if you are dealing with some right now dealing with some religious matters. So also we can expect some positive result regarding these matter in the month of August. Also your 7th house lord is also moving in 9th house, and 9th house is also deal with your second marriage. So we can expect if you're looking for new spouse or second marriage in your life, so we can expect positive result regarding these matter, especially after 17th of August. So we can expect these results from sun in the month of August for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Mercury controls your 10th house and your 7th house, and as we discussed previously in sun section, Mercury is right now moving in your 9th house in the sign of Leo. Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 9th house on 24th August 2023. And so before that, 7th house deal with your marriage, your legal bindings, your relationships in journal, your business partnership, your business related matter, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. Your fame related matter is also seen from 7th house. Signing agreement is also seen from 7th house. So right now your 7th house lord and 10th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your career, your position at your work, your authority at your work colleague, and nature of your work is represented by 10th house. So right now your lord of 7th house and 10th house moving in 9th house, and as we discussed previously, 9th house deal with your luck, your higher knowledge, your spirituality, your religious related matters, and your travel related matters. So we can expect positive result regarding your marriage related matters in the month of August, and so we can expect positive result regarding your work related matter. You may have some gain related, some promotion and good result regarding your work related matter, because your 10th house lord is moving in the house of luck, and many planets are right now moving in your 9th house, and Jupiter, your ascendant lord, is expecting from 5th house to 9th house from its 5th aspect. So we can expect positive result regarding your marriage related matters, your work related matters, and you may have some gains, and you may have some promotion or increment in the month of August related to your work. Also, as we discussed previously in sun section, if you are looking for new spouse or second marriage, then we can expect positive result for you people after 17th of August. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 6th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Leo. Venus right now moving in its retrograde motion as we discussed previously in the month of July prediction, and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Your sixth house deal with your conflicts, your litigation, your argument, your fights, your loans, your debt, your daily routine. Basically, sixth house deal with your conflicts, your argument, your court cases, your litigation, your hidden enemies is seen from sixth house, your diseases is seen from sixth house. And 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains, your salary, your friend circle, your professional network circle, how much gain you can have is seen from 11th house. Your friend circle is seen from 11th house. How are they is seen from 11th house. How your professional network circle is also seen from 11th house. Community based thinking. And so right now your 11th house and 6th house lord is moving in your 9th house, so we can expect in the month of August, if you are right now running through some court case litigation from last month or previous or last 2 months, if you are dealing with some litigation, court case or argument or fights with someone from last month or two last month, so we can expect you may have good result in the month of August. Things will turn into your favor if you are running through any court case litigation right now. You are right now running through any court case litigation or any fights or competition, so we can expect positive result in the month of August, because your sixth house lord is moving in ninth house, and ninth house deal with your luck, means your fortune, and things will work in your favor, so we can expect positive result regarding you people about your court cases litigation. Also, sun will join ninth house after 17th of August. So especially 17th of August, we can expect positive result for you people. Venus also control your 11th house, and right now Ketu is moving in your 11th house from last year March 2022. Ketu create disturbance to give you disturbance from the house significance in which Ketu moves. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties, many problems regarding your incoming gains, your income, your friend circle, and your community based and your community related matters, because Ketu were trying to detach you from all of these matters. Ketu were trying to isolate you from your friend circle and professional network circle. So right now your 11th house lord is moving in ninth house, and from ninth house expecting your third house. Third house deal with communication, and third house lord Saturn is also moving there, and right now Saturn is in retrograde motion, so we can expect you may have some relief from your disturb effect of 11th house. You may arrange some get together, and you want to arrange some get together during the month of August, because third house also deal with communication and seventh house deal with meetings, and both the planets are moving in your ninth house, so we can expect positive result regarding you people in the month of August from Venus. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, moon controls your 8th house, and right now moon is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Pisces. Positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of August, and on the basis of 6th August we are predicting for whole month, because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance, issues are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet, moon can influence very easily. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because and especially problem will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Leo. 12th house deal with your isolations, your spirituality, your privacy, your bedroom, your sleep pattern, your foreign settlement related matters. Out of the world related matter means if you are studying something related to space and you are researching something is seen from 12th house. Your paranormal activities in your life is also seen from 12th house. Your dreams is also seen from 12th house. Donation, your expenses and your losses is also seen from 12th house. Your medical treatment or hospitalization is also seen from 12th house. 5th house deal with your love relationships, your engagement, your fiance, your learning ability, your planning ability, how smart smart you are is seen from fifth house, how intelligent you are is seen from fifth house, your children is also seen from fifth house. So right now your fifth house lord and 12th house lord is moving in your ninth house. So we can expect you may have, we can expect if you are trying to move from your foreign land, or if you want to try to move or you travel some foreign land in the month of August, or if you're trying from last 2 months to, if you're planning to go on a trip to some foreign land from last 2 or 3 months, so we can expect you may get the chance in the month of August, especially after 17th of August, to go on a trip, because house of planning is moving in the house of travel. Also 12th house, which controls your foreign land related matter and your foreign settlements, is also moving in your ninth house. So right now, Rahu is also expecting from your fifth house along with Jupiter to your ninth house and all the planets. So we can expect these results from Mars in the month of August. Also, fifth house deal with your love relationship, your engagement, your fiance. If you are in love relationship, or you are engaged right now, or you want to engage, or you love someone, so you need to be very careful, take care of your relationship, because Rahu is moving in your fifth house 30th October 2023 to till 30th October. We can expect you have to face many difficulty, you will have to face many disturbance, many arguments in your relationship, many disturbance in your relationship. So if you don't want to break your relationship, or and if you want to continue your relationship, so you need to be compromised a lot in the month of August, because Rahu creates disturbance on your mind level. So we can expect you may have some disturbance in your love relationship in the month of August. So you need to be very careful so you need to be careful when you're dealing with your love relationship, when you're communicating with your love relationship, because Mercury, which generally controls communication, is also moving in ninth house, and Rahu from its fifth aspect is expecting Mercury from its fifth aspect. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Sagittarius ascendant in the month of August. We will have three major astrological events in the month of August. As we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 8th house to your ninth house on 17th August in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars will move from your ninth house to your 10th house after 19th August in the sign of Virgo. Third and most important astrological event is that Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your ninth house on 24th August 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction video. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can watch my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. For today's video, monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.